megalayapost.news.
Namar gajing sokia ke bajur, halo gajing jasli ke baju jakha apo kasang umper, apo bernihat, ke balawan raru i gajing sakta, iki bebun kilongying, bakhamtam, ya ka school St. Jude Secondary School, mentah kasngi, UMLA ke Jerang, konstituensi, harangkat Deputy Commissioner ke Riboy, ki option apo ke NHAI, bat PWD, mentah kasngi, ki lahir banit jurip, ya ki katu kan netili ki bentah, ke bala pelong, ya ka marsakut, mat ke ra, ya gajing sli hakete kasnong umper, hakane gajing jurip, lasen ranru, lakino hikai ke St. Jude Secondary School, kino yalam snong, hakabak pempau khmar UMLA DC bat kibreu ka NHI halo kajing kabak kilamat na kajing sli hapo kate kasnong mar kila karpat ru bakide bancim khian mardor ban penhe ikinala bayat ka khnang mante lakam ya kajing sli hapo kate kasnong kabajuja thakha hadin kate kajing jurep uba asosni sotun MLA ke Jirang lem bat Abilash Baranwal DC Riboy kila pempau bakidap kajing sokhia ka bajur halo kani kajing bayai mat teki paiba mar kila kularu bancim khian mardor halo kate kakam khnang balada don kajing hap slap ka bajur baki paiba ki basong kate kasnong kinlat na kajing haki yang kisam gijongki kila kularu bakin tau kilat kelinti kumno banweng no sisnon ya kan gajing habai de bagajing sliung hapo te snong bagi paiba ki jumat aman ki por bajur ulaba habai de bagi jaka ban penhe yakin nala sakaliang ka asam nakaliang uba sosno sotun ulong maun sai kren ban paru ya gajing tho show menteri rangba ka jela ukonrat ki sangma kham baun kren pat seki bor ka asam bakin kren halor gajing penhe ikinala sakalia ka asam namar gajing ret kinala ka khata skade ki paiba ka jela mekhalia bar asam namar kan gajing slium ka bajuja kakha.
Upon the insistence of Honorable Local MLA and he requested that all the line departments and NHAI should be present. So that's how we have come for this meeting wherein this recurrent problem of flooding in St. Jude's School, we are trying to find out a temporary as well as a permanent solution. So we are here with all officers of disaster management, PWD and NHAI. We have inspected the site. We have discussed with NHAI. They are going to submit us a report regarding the permanent solution, how we can solve this problem for good, for eternity. But in the meanwhile, how to basically, relieve this situation temporarily. We have discussed many solutions, and very soon we are going to work on that so that at least for this season, the school should not face any problem. Whatever necessary measures have to be taken, we will ensure that they are taken so as to relieve the school of this recurrent problem. There's been quite a lot of infrastructure damage due to the persistent flooding that they encounter whenever there is heavy rain. And we have taken note of that. I'll direct my BDO to compile a report on the same. And under disaster management, disaster relief fund, we'll see how we can compensate the school so that at least part of the infrastructure can be compensated. Also can be immediately started like dredging and all. However, the permanent solution will depend a lot on what are the financial implications and all. But then as insisted by Honorable Local MLA as well, that we'll continue to follow from district administration side, from government of Meghalaya side, so as to ensure that even the permanent solution, whatever may be the financial implications, but then even that is implemented in a short span of time.
Ka singing idon kini ka school ha St. Jude, kumba kita bi ka school St. Jude, dadon kano ka jing slap ka ba half ha kini ka area, kini ibit ba kini ka school ka kan slay ha kini ka school, bakal tak sisa hatu kata kini ka school hibroboy, ka jingwan ka jongi ha kini ka por kalong ba nidon na kajing sungkia, lalu Deputy Commissioner ngilayo menikran na ka por sa ka por. Agama iru idon ne kajing sokhia bali iya kajing ja kajing long chingman gabde ba kajing ja biding ne school la kapol baslap bangilayo ban like ban inspect ya ketika outlet ketika main road jong national highway bangilai ba idon ka jing kajing ko alane kata kajing runa hagarukom ba ka kanya ba kunyo ban like freely lane easily takanya dag masuk but ilayo ban penpau hakmat jong ka NHAI nang ka i Deputy Commissioner nang ka i engineer bat ngikwa nakliang junga kumunong mikmat ngakwa ba kanika solution kalong bakila ban solve permanently namar bangilai i ba man ka por nakwe ka por sakwe pat kadon sya kajing sosnai kikna school ki bhabdu e ka school kajing du e ka school authority si baro e kajing julor kajing du ka jongki Day nak kata nak kalian jungi ngaku menong mikmat kum Emily bat kumju badi DC bagi nak kalian ke NHI bagi engineer bat ni kuat hiba kan ni kam kan long bakila ban solve no ploy nang ba on la ban pensuk bat kanum mi show kan kono ka jingja hagini slei hagani ka thai stream hi barobor kindawan hi ban tu ke kiwara bat ka hindau lan ka jaklia ban lang but ngilayo panekran mata pangilay kerpat ya ka NHI nang ta ngilay don bat i deputy commissioner but nakaliang jongaru ngan sotho so honorable chief minister juga jela ko jongi but nakaliang jonga kerpat bangan kerpat i ban yakran bat ka Assam counterpart kenang ba nginyo ban penyar ya ketika stretch jong ketika stream kenang ba ke haka koridor kanyo ban lek dak besuk kata ketika kejing temu ke bamangi wan ru hang ne nang ba ngin yo ban ai la de ko wa ka kan yo ban lek hak ti ke ba la ban lek bek ta ke ba ya bek nang ba kanum dan kanu ka jing push back la ne ka jing phai biang jong ko ta kala poi hak ketika hakti ki area the school ngidon yo kenika ya ka school ya kenika snong umper bakini kisnong ru kala sakta he do kata namar bai kini kisnong hakapor ke memsua kilong kisnong ke bamjuyo banyo mat ikenika jing sleum bat menta kini kisnong ru kala kata hado kata tengi bu ru ke jing kerpat bangi kermen kumbang ilayo banekren mata kasngi nakaliang kanahai kila pular begin penpuj bagla pular hiba kinle ke badon kam nang ba nginyo ban benbek nang ba ka permanent solution on la ban benbek hak bidai kenika jingcha jong jing sleum hak kenika school of St. Jude but kenika snong here.
Very sad to see the flood situation in our school every year. It's happened due to the cutting of the hills in the killing site. I have been here for more than 5 months and experienced a lot of issues, problems occur every month. We are under the flood for at least 5 to 6 months in a year. Till November, we suffer from this first flood. People say that it's not a natural calamity, but they say that it's a human calamity. So I'd like to request the concerned people to see this matter so that we, the human beings, especially the impaired area, may not suffer anymore from this situation.
Megalayapost.news